Hey everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today, we have something truly special. The 2026 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome. This is not just a luxury RV, it's a powerhouse on wheels, blending top-tier trucking performance with the ultimate home-like comfort. Let's dive in and see if this beast is worth the hype. The Kenworth W1100 commands attention with its bold aerodynamic design. Built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, it's designed for long-haul luxury. The front grille, inspired by classic Kenworth rigs, gives it an authoritative presence. With full LED lighting, a panoramic windshield, and high ground clearance, this motorhome is built for both highways and off-road adventures. Plus, the side panels feature sleek, integrated storage compartments, and you even get a power-operated awning for those perfect outdoor moments. Under the hood, the W1100 packs a powerful 15.0L turbo diesel engine, delivering a massive 600 horsepower and over 2,000 lb-ft of torque. That means you can tow just about anything: a boat, a car, or even another trailer. The advanced 12-speed automated transmission ensures smooth shifts, and with an adaptive air suspension system, you're in for a ride that's as smooth as it is powerful. Fuel efficiency? Surprisingly decent for its size, thanks to Kenworth's latest aerodynamic improvements and smart power management system. Step inside, and you're greeted with a blend of high-end luxury and functional design. The interior is crafted with premium leather seating, hardwood flooring, and a fully customizable LED lighting system. The living space features a large L-shaped sofa, a retractable 65-inch smart TV, and a surround sound system that makes movie nights feel like a theater experience. The kitchen? It's fully equipped. High-end stainless steel appliances, a full-size refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and even a built-in coffee station. Moving to the rear, the master suite boasts a king-size bed, panoramic windows, and a private bathroom, with a rainfall shower and heated flooring. There's even a second sleeping area, making this perfect for family trips or cross-country adventures with friends. Kenworth didn't hold back on tech. The W1100 comes with a state-of-the-art digital cockpit, featuring a massive touchscreen infotainment system with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and even a driver fatigue monitoring system, because long drives demand the best in safety. So, is the 2026 Kenworth W1100 Motorhome worth it? If you're looking for the ultimate combination of power, luxury, and long-haul capability, this is a game-changer. It's not just a motorhome, it's a rolling fortress of comfort and performance. But what do you think? Would you take this on your next road trip? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth vehicle reviews right here on Honest Auto Wheels. See you in the next one!